gusto mo bang maging psychic? Well, panoorin mo to.
Exist naman talaga.
May tanong ako sa ano, 'di ba sabi mo lahat tayo psychic. Well, alam ko naman 'yon. Lahat tayo psychic. Yung mga
Mhm.
nandito na ano, gustong siguro maging in touch ng konti sa kanilang psychic abilities. Anong masasuggest mo?
Okay. Being psychic kasi, no, or having a so-called psychic ability kasi, is simple as tuning yourself, no? Tuning yourself sa energy, no, na environment mo. It's like, parang, think of yourself as a radio, no? To be able to pick up certain energies, you also have to tune in. So that's when meditation comes in. And it's also by acknowledging the invisible, no, nabubuksan mo yung gateway, no, into communicating and with the invisible. Ganun yun. Everyone is psychic. Lahat ng may utak is psychic. May iba nga lang talaga, parang pagkantayan eh. No? Parang pagkantayan. May iba, parang Mariah Carey to the level of singing. Ganun talaga, diva talaga, marunong talaga, magaling talaga. Meron naman, they just know how to sing. Meron naman, they can carry a tune. No? Pero meron talagang iba, no, na hindi talaga marunong kumanta. And meron naman iba, no, natututong kumanta. Na-awaken siya because of trauma. Ganun talaga. A near-death experience, deep emotional trauma, isolation,
Breakup.
no?
Sorry.
Oo. Ganon. Diba?
Kung nabitin ka, follow me for more.